Yeah, good day everybody, and welcome to yet um a wonderful tutorial for music authors. If you are a music author for this particular platform, Innyouu.com, this particular tutorial is for you. Subsequently, I'll be bringing tutorials for other platforms and other type of uploads, categories, functions, etc. So for now, I will just pay your indulgence for 5 to 10 minutes to quickly show you how you can upload a particular song for blogging or for downloads to a lot of potential viewers. So quickly, this is just the platform in you.com, and the platform is just is trying to take shape as we are trying to post um, some contents. There are some contents that were posted today. There were some contents that came as demo. So we had to use the demo to structure the site to give you a feel of what this site looks like. So I am just quickly going to go over how to start this so that to stop all the you know long talk. Now, before you start uploading song, let me draw your attention to a particular criteria I want you to have in mind. This criteria is the upload criteria. Uh, yeah, so I think this is it highlighted in red. So if you look at it here, so please note that if your file does not meet the minimum standards, that's ranging from MP3 for audio. So if you're submitting an audio file, it has to be in an MP3 format, not maybe an OGG format or MPEG format or something else. It has to be in an MP3 format or MP4 for video, but we're not talking about video today. We're talking about MP3 audio file. And then your cover image size. The minimum for the um, cover image size should be 1200 by 675 pixel. That is 16:9 ratio. So this should be the size of your image for the particular um, song you want to upload, or maybe whatever it is you want to upload. I think this is also the same for maybe authors who also want to be writing in other categories. This is just the recommended size you need to have in mind. So now I think this is just what I want you to know. Now I will now take us straight to where we are going to start the whole process. So, so you enter https://innyouu.com/wp admin, and then you click enter. So once you do this, what you want to do is to log into your own dashboard. Let me try. So now this is my own dashboard. Is a dummy account I use to test or to carry out tutorial for you. For those of you who were recently accepted into the platform as authors, this is how your dashboard will look like. And if you are on your dashboard like this, it means that yes, this is what you are seeing. So straight to the point, if I want to upload a song, the first thing I want to do is to go to downloads, right? And in this downloads, I want to click add new. And in this add new, I'll be writing the name of the song I want to upload. Let's say, for example, I want to upload Ni Na Alane by Joseph Kabulu. And I want to give it a call trigger, which is something like maybe I'll say new download. Mm, This is not necessary, but ensure that you capture this important information. All right. So now I will now come back. Now you can see that I'm also going to copy this thing. So just to give me, I want all my files to be consistent. So I will not worry about SEO category or anything here. No, I won't worry about that. What I just need is just the file, and then I'll go to the file, and then I think that file is here, so I'll locate it. So this is the file. Then I'll click. If the file is not there, in your own case, you want to upload, right? But in my own case, the file is there. So I'll just select it and insert it. And once that is done, what I want to take note is if I know the file size, yeah, let's say for example it's 4 megabytes, 4.5 full megabytes, I can put that here, right? And then the download button, I would say download now, right? And then what I want to copy here again is this particular code. What does this code does? This code helps us to place the download button on the side. So don't forget that title. Remember I said I want the title to be consistent, right? So now I'm going to copy the title again, and I'll open my notepad and save it exactly where I have saved others, right? So that is that. Now I'll publish this. Make sure you publish it before you exit. So you can now exit this place. So next now to do is to come to new and click post. And in that post, the first thing I have to do is to paste the title of the song, right? So if I know the name of the song, if I know the content of the song, I have briefs of the song and everything that I need to know concerning the song. This is where I need to write it. I can say download this heartfelt sensational song. Sorry, I'm using one hand to type by Joseph Kabulu. Right? This song was released in 2019. So it's not new download now. I'll call it throwback in my own case. It's just true because why I'm doing that is because there are a lot of people who have heard this song before. Hmm? So now um this song is a declaration of God's um it's a declaration to demonstrate one's belonging to God in all realms of life and his likeness. Right? So let me just stop here and then I will now go back and get this code. So you are expected to give a very good detail of the song. Don't just settle for less. Now, the next thing is to work on the SEO. It's called search engine optimization. So let me get the image. Now, come here. Okay, first of all, let's work on the category. Which category adequately fits this is music, right? So I've selected it. I'll say now tags are basically elements that when users probably might be looking for something, they might just type in error or typos. So tags are just there to help you correct them. It might not go in the same way like this. Somebody might even type Joseph and call it maybe Joseph or like this. All these things are just so it's just for you it's just for you for the tag is just there to just help lead viewers, yeah, people who are seeking the song to the right point. Now I'm going to upload the image. The image meets the required guideline I have checked. So now I'm just going to select it and put it out here and yeah, here we go. So now the next thing is to work on the SEO. And what is the SEO? Now let us look at what is the keyword here. The keyword here is download. Why am I doing this? We want it to be indexed by Google, right? The next keyword is ni na alane, and the next keyword is Joseph. The next keyword is Kapolo. You know, so don't allow it to be more than 4 your targeted keywords, and then I will now come back here and take this title. I never wanted to do this SEO training, but I just felt I should add it. Yeah. So now I'll work on this. I'll click this title here, paste it here. You can see that started giving shape in such a way that maybe if somebody is looking for it online, Google can index it. Now, the meta description, you can take some part of this, not all. Come back to that meta description and put it here, this particular place. Sometimes you have to pay attention to the text size. In my own case, look at this, said maximum is 160. Mine is 195, so I have to reduce it so that it will get to that 160. Right? You can see now it's 159, so it's fine. So the next thing I want to do is to work on how it will look like in a social media. So you can now see this is for Facebook. So let's put in the meta description here first. Let me go from that of Twitter and put it. So let's change the image for Twitter. You can see it has taken shape. And let's change the image for Facebook. You can also see that it has taken shape. Now let's bring in the title. Let's copy the title. Please take note that that of the download we have done that since. I'm just adding the SEO tutorial. This is supposed to be on a separate tutorial, but I just felt I should add it so that you will do a very neat job. So the goal is you want people to get this particular. Now I'm coming to Twitter. I'll paste it again in that of Twitter now. So with all these things, I think we're good to go. So now we're going to publish this to see how the download button looks. So I'll click publish now, and bam. So now our post is ready for view. So let's view it. Yeah, so you can see very simple, very simple. So you can now see the download button is showing here. If I click the download button, it won't lead you to any place. Immediately you can see it's downloading straight. So the aim is for it not to lead you to anywhere. Right, let it just download straight. And don't forget, retitle your track before, retitle it to this particular title here so that it will speak while Google is trying to do its work. Right, so you can now see that these are some of the things I want you to understand. And if you want to share the link, you can come to your browser here, copy the link, you know, and then you can share it on WhatsApp. You can share it like me now. I can go to my WhatsApp, for example. I can just do like this, paste it, and wait for it to come up with the thumbnail and everything. Then I can just, usually this is not how it's supposed to display, but the way you saw it the other time, that is how it's supposed to display. But let me just leave this tutorial here. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.